Well, so this next severe threat for storms getting into the early part of next week, it could bring some problems for Election Day. Millions of people heading to the polls in the nation's heartland. And with this storm system pushing its way on through, you might have to get creative with how you're going to get there. Early voting, of course, continues as we go through this weekend. But as we get into Election Day on Tuesday, we're watching places like the Upper Texas coastline, Arkansas, even up to our swing states, feeling this adverse weather, Wisconsin, Michigan. We have temperatures that are rather mild, but you mix in rain and it truly is just not a comfortable feel, especially when you can bet that there's going to be lines. And there is that correlation between voter habits and weather. So we're telling you early, do what you can and then prepare for what could be stretches of rain, wind as these showers and this storm system exits up through the Great Lakes. That cold front stretches down through the heartland. We are going to be watching closely. For a swing state like Pennsylvania, we're on the cusp. Largely dry, temperatures warm into the 70s. We'll have to watch how this progresses getting into next week. Maybe that northwest corner where we could potentially see a couple of showers in the forecast, but otherwise not a bad look for Election Day. Weather Command, we'll be right back.